Good morning, students. This is your GK class. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home. My dear, if you are facing any problem, go through these videos, then only our effort will be all right. Okay? Then only you can solve all your problems. If you are having any problems, you have to go through these videos. See, first is Ajanta and Ellora caves. I am going to explain about you. It is about 107 kilometers from city of Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Are the rock-out caves of Ajanta nestled in panoramic gorge in the form of gigantic horseshoe. A set of 29 caves. Ajanta is among the finest examples of some of the earliest Buddhist architecture, cave paintings and sculptures. I am showing you the picture of Ajanta and Ellora caves. See here. What do you find? You can find very fine stone carving here and adorned with beautiful sculptures, paintings. And this is the building followed by Jain and Hindu monuments. And all the stories are told through this carving, stone carving only. Second building you have to study about Amer Fort. It is also known as Amber Fort. And it is located in Rajasthan. It was originally built by Minas and later it was ruled by Raja Man Singh. And it is located on the hilltop. I am showing you the Amer Fort picture. And you know, it is known for its artistic style and it is situated beside the Maota lake. Its large rampart series gates. It is a very big fort, my dear, and beside this you will see a market where you will get the things of olden age. Okay? See the picture of Amer Fort. And beside this is a market where you will get carved things, very nice monuments, decorative items. After that, we will do the revision of the two chapters, animals products and plant product. Here see what do we get from the skin of dead animals to make purses, belts, jackets, etc. And from the leather. Dead skin of animals are called leather. Okay, when animals die, their skins are used in many ways to make belt, purse, jacket, shoes, etc. Second is what do we get from the hairs of sheep, goat, camel, etc. And we have studied that the hair of sheep, goat, camel, and even Angora rabbit, okay, is used to make wool. Third is what do we get from silkworms to make clothes, and that is silk yarn. Silkworms weaves on the cocoon silk thread, and we get this silk thread from the silkworm to make silk clothes. Next question is what do we get from hens and ducks, which are widely used as nutritious food. Hens and ducks, my dear, most of the birds gives eggs. All the birds gives eggs, but mostly you will see in the market hens and ducks egg, which we used to take. What do we get from cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. to make curd, butter, ghee, cheese? Here two questions will be there, can be there. Name 4 products of milk or name some milk giving animals. Then milk giving animals are also here and the product of milk is also here. And what we get from this? Milk. Isn't it? Now next question, what do we get from animals' dung which help plants and crops grow better? And you know, we get manure. And this manure is prepared from the dung of animals, which is used, and it is good manure. It don't have chemical and it doesn't give any disadvantage to the field or crops. What do we get from goats and chickens, which is a good source of food? And this is, we get meat from goats and chickens. What do we get from shells of oyster, which are used in making ornaments? And by the picture only you can understand what we get. We get here, see, pearl, which is used to make ornaments. What do we get from trees, which we use to make furniture? And furniture is made from wood of teak, sesame, sagwan. These wood are usually used to make furniture. What do we get from certain trees, which we use for making tires? And we get rubber, because from rubber tire is made. Many more things are made from. Which is the most common beverage we get from dried leaves of certain plants? My dear, this is green leaves, that's why you are not able to identify it, but it is tea leaf, because tea is the most common beverage in our country which we use. Which is an important beverage which we get from roasted beans of certain plants? And this is coffee. We get coffee from the roasted beans of some coffee plant. What we get from beans of cocoa plant that children like the most, like to eat very much, and this is from cocoa beans we get chocolate powder, and chocolate is made. From this. What do we get from juice of stems of certain plants, which is used to sweeten food? And this plant is sugarcane. Juice of stems of certain plants means from sugarcane plant we get sugar, which helps the food to sweeten. What fiber do we get from seeds of a certain plant, which is used for making summer clothes? And what we get? We get cotton fiber from cotton plants, and that is used to make summer clothes, because in summer we like to wear light cotton clothes. So we get cotton clothes from cotton plants. What do we get from certain trees which is used for sticking papers? And that is gum. Now right now we have seen, my dear, plant product as well as animal product. Plants also gives us many things, and animals also serves us in many ways. Not only by the service, but they give also. We eat fish, we eat egg, we eat chicken, mutton, we drink milk. So in many ways animals also helps us, and in many ways plants also helps us. We can't seem of our life without animals and plants. So we should take care of them. This is also very necessary. Now there are some questions related to these only, which we have studied. In which state is Ajanta and Ellora caves? And what is the answer, my dear? Maharashtra. In which state is Ajanta and Ellora caves? It is situated in Maharashtra. To which religion is Ajanta and Ellora caves related? You will see here Buddhist, Jain and Hinduism temple. So it is related to Buddhist, Jain and Hindu. Next question is, in which state is Amer Fort situated? And Amer Fort is situated in Rajasthan, Jaipur. Which lake is the main source of water for Amer Fort? And the name of the lake is Mauta Lake. What helps plants and crops grow better? And manure helps plants and crop to grow better. And from where does this manure we get? This we get from the dung of animals, isn't it? What do we get from hair of sheep, goat, camels to make clothes? And that is wool. And woolen clothes we use right now in which season? Winter season. We use to wear woolen clothes. What do we get from cocoa plants that children like to eat very much? And that is chocolate. Which is the most common beverage we get from dried leaves of certain plants? And all of you know tea, because in India, in each and every home, tea is made, used and drank. Now, thank you children, but before that you will do your work in very good handwriting. You will go through the videos and whatever problem you will find, you will share in the class also.